Good morning, friends. Happy Friday. It is 46 degrees here today. Right now we're supposed to get up to near 60 today, but it's going to be a rainy weekend here. So this morning I'm just sitting here crocheting on my squares, my granny squares, and I am making a retro stripe, a sunburst, a granny square blanket. I need 63 squares and I'm about halfway there. So this morning I did my devotions. I am enjoying my second cup of coffee with my French vanilla sugar-free creamer in it. I also have my smoothie in it. Or not in my coffee, but my smoothie. In my smoothie is a milk, 1 cup, usually 2% or skim milk, and then I have frozen banana and strawberries mixed in it, and then I have a 3/4 to a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, and that is 6 points. And the reason I like these is because it is so smooth in there and thick like a milkshake. I will work on this for a little bit. And other than that, it is laundry day here and just a relaxing day for today. Nothing too much going on, but I will take you along as my day unfolds and show you what I eat in the day. And welcome to anybody that is new or just coming across this. My name is Terry. I do daily vlogs on what I eat in a day on Weight Watchers. I receive 28 daily points and 28 weeklies. I am trying to lose 75 pounds of my 100 pounds. I have lost 35 of that, and I take you along on my days showing you whatever unfolds along with pictures or videos of my food. So if you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let your friends know. Share me out to your friends, and just help me to be encouraged to keep doing this. And if you are on any weight loss program, I'd like to cheer you on too. Just comment below. But anyways, this morning not too much going on, so I will let you go, and I hope that you all have a blessed Friday, and I will see you at lunchtime. Thanks, friends. Hey friends, lunch today is 11 points. I have 4 points in the bread. It is from Aldi's, 2 points per slice. I have turkey on it for 0. I have a slice of Kraft cheese, 2% for 2 points. And then I have, Doritos, and that is 4 points. So today's lunch is an 11-point lunch.